Girl, don't do it. It's not worth it. I'm not gonna do it, girl. I was just thinking about it. I'm not gonna do it.
Welcome to part 2 of bleaching my hair. So just a little recap. This is the goal. Hopefully I can get these orange bits to this blonde. So then I can tone it. We got all the fun stuff here. Let's do this. Let's hope my hair is not dead. For real though, rest in peace Juice WRLD. Oh my god, this takes so long. So now I'm going to keep this on my head for 30 minutes and then tone it. My hair is literally falling out of my head. This is how much hair has fallen out of my head. This is how much is in the brush. Should I just put a mask and wait a couple days to tone it? Like, I do not know what to do. So I have a mask on and I'm too scared to tone it because I don't want to damage it anymore. Help me.
I'm back again, and today is the day, guys. The day that I've been waiting for a long time. On my last video, you guys saw that my hair was pretty short, but I wasn't really digging the look, so today I cut it. I went in with a mindset of what if Brad Mondo saw this? I mean, come on, it would be 1 in a million if he ever got to see this video. Before I got into the action of cutting my hair, my family wasn't really that excited for me. They kept on asking if I was making the right choice, if I really wanted to. My mom even gave me 5 minutes just to see if I really wanted to go through this. I've been struggling with self-love lately. And to be honest, I went through this mindset of you have to have long hair. You have to wear makeup just to be beautiful. But really, at the end of the day, you really don't need any of that because hair does not define someone's beauty. I was finally finished. And I gotta say, I love it.
Please don't be ugly. Please don't be ugly. Please. Please. Oh my god! Stop. I'm about to cut my bangs, and if you don't watch this and I do this for nothing, it's gonna be kind of sad, but I'm hoping that I like it anyways. I'll do it here. Right here? Should I do it here? Should I do it here, babe?
I'm not saying.
I'll do it.
Oh.
Okay.
You wanted to cuss.
Nuh-uh. Holy shoot fire. Oh gosh.
What's up, guys? I just dyed my hair blonde all by myself. And it's super orange at the top. So I'm trying to tone it a lot with purple shampoo. Now, as you can see on the side, that is what my whole head looks like. So I'm about to go and wash this out. Make sure to be ready for part 2 to see how this turns out.
So my whole life, I've been brushing through my hair like this, and TikTok is making me realize that I think I actually have curly hair. So I'm gonna wash my hair with these, and then I'm only gonna brush my hair in the shower when I have the conditioner on. Okay, my hair is soaking wet, and I'm gonna put some of this in it. Okay, now I'm scrunching it and kind of drying it with a t-shirt instead of a towel. Now I'm gonna try and plop it. It's only been like an hour, but it's giving me a headache, so I'm gonna take it out. Oh.
How to highlight your friend's hair. Step 1, grab a bowl. Step 2, grab some bleach. Step 3, grab developer. Step 4, grab a highlighting cap. Step 5, combine bleach. Add developer. Mix until it becomes a paste. Bam! Find a willing participant. Gino, let me do your hair.
What do you mean, do my hair?
Willing participant, sit down.
You know I don't.
Step 6, put on highlighting cap. Step 7, grab one of these needle things.
Needle?
Step 8, Put the needle thing in and pull hair out. Pluck the entire head. Add bleach to hair. Let it bake.
Better come out good.
It will. Apply a bag and let it bake for 2 hours. Remove bag. Remove cap. Gino.
What?
How to change your hair for quarantine. Step 1, cut out the old hair. Step 1, grab clippers. Step 3, cut out old hair. Bam! Step 4, grab bleach. Oh no, I'm out of bleach. That's okay. This will have to do. Just kidding. I have some. Step 5, grab developer. Step 6, combine bleach. Add developer. Mix and mix and mix and mix. It will become a paste. Apply to hair. Not light enough, bleach again. Only bleach the color part. Perfect. Pick a color. Pink. Grab a paintbrush. Get you some color. Take the pink and get it started. Now take the blue. And we're done. Fuego.
So this is me like 2 years ago. And then I started like highlighting it, like, cause it was super dark, so I started highlighting it. My sister's a cosmetologist, by the way, so we were doing this over a very long period of time, and it took a lot. So then this is like last summer we decided to like do a full bleach of my head. This is in like June, I think, of last summer, and it was like really yellow. Obviously you can see that, but I dealt with this yellow hair from like May to July. So we got pretty light in July, and I was really happy with it because it wasn't orange anymore. And we just kind of we were lightening it like every once in a while. This is really recent. This was like last month. And this is now, but now it is actually different. We put more purple tones in it because it was looking a little yellow, and we got scared. But this was a long road.
Listen, fam, trust me when I say my hair has been through it for the past few years. It has been a variety of colours, and a lot of them were done at home, which we all know, according to Radmondo, is excellent. And while she may be looking kinda cute on camera, trust and believe there's more splits than a New York divorce court here. She needs some help! So I found this thing in my local supermarket, #NotSpawn, and apparently it fixes your hair. Full disclaimer, by the way, I'm a little bit drunk. Time to try it out! Yay! I thought this was gonna be easy. No, there's 4 steps. The absolute audacity! Step 1 is some kind of clarifying shampoo, so BRB, I guess. And back. Ooh, love that! Now that my hair feels like the scratchy side of the Velcro, let's go to step 2. Have applied step 2, and the overwhelming emotion is slimy. Time for step 3. Step 3 applied, overwhelming emotion, even slimier! Now to wait 15 minutes with a very much not alcoholic beverage. That's a lie, by the way. Time to rinse and apply step 4 and see how the hell this does. Holy balls! I didn't think it was gonna work that well!
So I got this new straightener for Christmas, and it's supposed to work really well, so this is the before, and we're gonna try it and see how it works. Okay, so here's the result. Like, as you can see, it didn't work that well. Like, I still like girls.
I don't know why I'm doing this because my hair never stays in curls, but I found this really tiny curler. Like, look at it. I don't even think this is mine. I've never seen this in my gosh dang life. But anyway, I have the urge to do it all over my head, so that's what I'm gonna do. Before. What the fuck? This ain't it. It just looks like I don't know how to brush through my curls. What the hell? Ow! Yes. Yes! Now that's a look.
Because we literally saw that TikTok where it said, don't bleach your hair to the point where when you tie it up, it stands up by itself. And you told me it wouldn't do that. And I was like, yeah, it would. And now look at you. It stands up by itself.
Hi Bradmondo, I need some help. So my hairstylist put bleach in my hair for over an hour, started at the roots first with that, which I know you're not supposed to do, and then didn't wash the bleach off and put more bleach on it to get the red because I had bright red hair. And I have chemical burns now because as I put the dye in, my hair was burning, so I don't know what to do. It hurts and my hair is clumpy, but it looks good.
Did I just dye my hair? Yeah. Did I just use the whole bottle? Yeah. Is it gonna look atrocious? Yeah.
So I saw this girl on TikTok dye the front of her hair blue, and since TikTok has never failed me before, I decided to try it. I mixed up the bleach and started applying it. Everything seemed okay at first until the top of my head changed color and the rest didn't. For some reason, I thought that bleaching it once would do the trick, but I lost count after 5 attempts, and before I knew it, my hair was orange. At this point, it was 2 a.m. and time to go to bed. I woke up the next morning shocked that it didn't fix itself overnight. I got back to school later that day and thought I should bleach it some more. Eventually, I gave up and accepted the orange, thinking that applying the blue would somehow fix the situation. As I looked at myself in the mirror, the only thing that looked back was fear, regret, and embarrassment. I lived like this for 2 full days until I went to the hair salon. What hurts the most is the $200 I had to spend to fix.
Hi, okay, I'm doing like that curl your hair thing, but like I don't have any straws, so I'm using a cut up shirt. So basically I'm gonna do that. Okay, these are really long, so I'm probably gonna end up cutting them in half, but like I'm just gonna wrap my hair around it and then like tie it. I don't really know how it's gonna turn out, and I'm probably gonna end up looking really stupid, but I'm super bored, so like I just figured why not. So I'll just show you once it's all done. Okay, yeah, I did the first one and it it's fine. we're just gonna see what happens. Okay, I'm done, and it looks amazing. I think I'm gonna like maybe blow dry, like try to heat it up so I can take them out faster, or I'll just sleep on them and take them out in the morning. It really just depends. So the next, it'll be done. So yeah. I'm really bored, and it's only been a few hours, so I'm just gonna take them out now. The back, I think, looks better. I really just don't know what to say.
I'm done procrastinating. I'm gonna cut my hair. Okay, too much coffee. It's fine. I'm sweating. It's fine. I've worn this shirt for 5 days straight. It's fine. Anyway. Okay. Top of your hair is right here. The back of your hair is right here. I don't care if that makes sense to you because I really need to cut my hair. So don't do this at home. Wait, just kidding. Do whatever you want. I'm not your mom. I'm going to cut off a lot, I think. I don't know. No, not that way. What if I just... No, that's not working. What have I done? It looks fine. Yeah, I don't know if this is a good idea, but here I am. Please don't be ugly. Oh, maybe she's born with it. Maybe it's quarantine.
Just satisfying things. Oh, too much hair. Too hot. Okay.
This video of me bleaching my hair during quarantine got over 600,000 likes and almost 5 million views. This is what it looked like. It was awful. So I set an appointment with a hairdresser, started my car, I got there, put on my mask to stay safe. I kept taking it off because I literally couldn't breathe and was looking around to make sure no one saw me. I got seated and she started right away. I had her film just how brassy and uneven tones there was. This part was so bad. Here's me just sitting down all foiled up. All the foils were done, and then she was putting a root tap to get rid of all the harsh lines between the foils and then put me under this lamp after she washed out the sides and back. Now she's just taking off all the foils from the top and washing it out. This is my favorite part when they wash your hair. It felt so nice and relaxing. Then she's just going through with the root tap, which is what I attempted to do, but hers obviously is looking a lot better. I had faith at this point, but it was fixed. Now she's washing out all the toner, and this is what it looked like dry. Now we're blow drying it, but this is how it turned out. It was so cute. I loved it, and take this as a sign to not bleach your hair during quarantine.
Burning my hair off 2.0. However, this time we're curling it. Like my pancakes, this has never once been successful. But we're doing it anyway. This is where quarantine gets you. Ready? Let's begin. Rachel Ballinger, who? We don't know her. Okay, I'm assuming it's ready. I'm scared. Why does that look like that? I'm gonna try again. What the heck? Screw it. Thank you very much. Halfway done. Honestly, I think it might just be cuter like that. I'ma leave it. Here's the finished look. I know, it's stunning.
Okay guys, this is part 2. So my sister was just going to town. I ate a pancake because I was starving. Then she went back through and wiped off all the ones that were done. There was like 12 different colors in my hair. It was in this moment I realized that it was taking a turn for the worse. Can't say I didn't see it coming. I started looking up my hair lady's schedule to get in. As you can tell, there's about 12 different colors and tones going on in my hair, but it's fine. I just want it to be done. So I was putting a root, tap, smudge, color, whatever you want to call it. Had my sister help me with it again because I couldn't really see, and then we just were putting this toner all over my hair, and my ends were looking good, but my roots were still brassy and orange and terrible. At this point, I was trying anything to salvage it, so I just put a ton of purple shampoo and Olaplex in my hair, and this is how it was drying. Honestly, some sections weren't too bad, but once you got in and deep in my hair, it looked really bad and patchy, especially the back. So thanks for watching.
So I went to Sally's right now to go get more supplies for my hair, and like the lady ringing me up was like, can I offer you some hair treatment? And I said, no. And then she's like, are you sure you don't want a hair treatment? And I said, no, thank you. Like, I don't need any hair treatment. And then she dead ass gives me one last look. And it's a look that says, I know that you're about to bleach your whole entire head of hair blonde. And it's only to piss off your ex-boyfriend because when you guys were together, he liked your hair a specific way, to the side and brunette. And now you're just trying to piss him off and dye it blonde because you're trying to heal your heartbreak on your own. But like, if you do that, you're gonna burn off your whole entire head of hair. So please just take the hair treatment that is 2 for $4. And I said, God damn, lady, just put it in the bag.
I don't know who needs to hear this, but because of the quarantine, I think it's a lot of you. Do not bleach, dye, or cut your hair out of boredom. You're gonna regret.
Okay, so here's me fucking up my hair. First of all, it's no surprise this went to shit because I'm using box bleach dye. But of course I did it anyways, and my hair came out orange. And here I am, bitter as hell, telling y'all not to buy this bleach. Then I decided to do a second box bleach. And I don't know, I'm mad dramatic and surprised because I knew this was going to shit. Now here I am trying to tell myself that everything's okay, even though I don't have toner or purple shampoo, and I'm gonna have to most likely bleach it one more time. You can deadass see the crazy in my eyes. Now I'm eating candy because food makes everything better. Here's me dropping the candy. Here's me thinking about